Hi, this is Sir RV and welcome to my channel. Ang pag-aaralan po natin ngayon ay tungkol sa arithmetic sequence. Okay? In Junior High School Mathematics 10. Okay? So, what is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence are ordered sets of numbers that have common difference between each consecutive term. And the common difference will be positive if the sequence is in ascending order. And the common difference is negative if the sequence is in descending order. Now we have the general formula or the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, where a sub n is the nth term of the sequence, a sub 1 is equal to first term of the sequence, n is the number of terms, and the d is common difference. Okay, let us have an example. Number 1. Find the term being as and its explicit formula. Now, we have to look into the sequence first. The sequence is 5, 9, 13, and so on. At ang hinahanap natin ay ang a sub 20. Okay? So, ano ang napapansin natin sa sequence? Is it ascending or descending? So, it's ascending. Pataas ang mga numbers. So, ibig sabihin, you have a positive common difference. First, what are the required terms that we need to use para makuha natin yung a sub 20? Kailangan natin ng a sub 1. Ang a sub 1 ay ang ating first term. Ano ang ating first term? Ang ating first term ay 5. Next is the common difference. Ang common difference ay makukuha kapag sinubtract po natin ang second term and then yung first term or yung third term sa second term. If they are constant, then that is the common difference. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. So our common difference is 4. And we need to look into the number of terms. Ilan bang terms meron ang sequence na to? Since ang hinahanap natin is yung pang 20th number, we have 20 terms or 20 numbers. So our n is 20. And we are looking for a sub 20. 20th number. Para makuha natin ang 20th number, we need to use the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Next, the a sub n is our a sub 20, or the last term, a sub 20. Then a sub 1, our first term, is 5. Plus, the number of terms ay 20. So, 20 minus 1. Then the common difference ay 4. Okay? Now, let us solve. A sub 20 is equal to 5 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 times 4 is how many? A sub 20 is equal to 5 plus 19 times 4 is 76. Then a sub 20 is equal to 5 plus 76 is 81. Okay. So that is our 20th number of the arithmetic sequence given. Now, kailangan pa natin makuha kung ano yung explicit formula. So what is explicit formula? We just need to let the n be that term. No need to substitute. So, using again or gagamitin ulit natin yung formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay? Now, a sub n is equal to, kunin pa rin natin yung ating a sub 1, which is 5, plus, let it be the number of n, or the number of terms, be n minus 1, times the common difference ay 4. Let us solve. A sub n is equal to 5 plus, we need to distribute 4 to n, or to the binomial n minus 1. So 4 times n is 4n, minus 4 times 1 is 4. Now a sub n is equal to, we need to combine like terms or the constants of this equation. So 5 and negative 4 can be combined. So 5 minus 4 is 1 plus 4n. Or we can restate it into a sub n is equal to 4n plus 1. So the explicit formula is a sub n is equal to 4n plus 1. Okay? Next number. Find the term being as and its explicit formula. Now, what did you notice about the term? Okay, it is a descending arithmetic sequence or pababa. So kapag pababa, we will have a negative common difference. So let us solve for it. The a sub 23 and its explicit formula. Okay, so first, we need to identify our first term. Okay, balikan natin. Yan, we need to identify the first term. So our first term is, okay, our first term is equal to 2, and the common difference is 7 minus 12 is negative 5, and let us check if they are the same. 2 minus 7 is also negative 5. So our common difference is negative 5. And the number of terms is, how many terms do we have? Since meron tayong hinahanap na a sub 23, or yung pang 23rd number, so meron tayong 23 terms or numbers. So our n is 23. Now we are looking for a sub 23. Yan. So para makuha natin a sub 23, kailangan naman ulit natin gamitin ang formula na a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So we are looking for a sub 23 is equal to, our first term is our first term is 12. Okay, and since 12, that is our first term, then plus 23 minus 1 times the common difference is negative 5. Okay, pardon to that, our first term is 12, and the second is 7, and the third is 2. Okay, let us continue. A sub 23 is equal to 12 plus 23 minus 1 is 22 times negative 5. Okay, let us solve. A sub 23 is equal to 12 plus 22 times negative 5 is negative 110. Okay, a sub 23 is equal to 12 plus negative 110 is negative 98. So our a sub 23 is negative 98. Okay, next we need to find the explicit formula. So to find the explicit formula, let the number of terms be n. So a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then a sub n is equal to, our first term is 12. Again, our first term is 12. Plus, the number of terms is as represented as n. Okay? N lang po siya. N minus 1 times the common difference is negative 5. Okay. So, a sub n is equal to 12 plus negative 5 will be multiplied to the binomial n minus 1, and it will be distributed like this. Negative 5 times n is negative 5n. Then, negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. Okay? Simplify, a sub n is equal to 12 minus 5n plus 5. Okay? So, a sub n is equal to, let us combine like terms, 12 and 5. 12 plus 5 is 17 minus 5n. Or we can restate that into a sub n is equal to negative 5n plus 17. So our explicit formula is a sub n is equal to negative 5n plus 17. Okay? Next, okay, you need to try this, and this will be your task to do after watching this video. Number 1 is 35, 32, 29, 26. And you have to find a sub 20 and its explicit formula. Number 2 is 3, 23, 43, 63. Now you need to find a sub 15 and its explicit formula. And number 3 is negative 7, negative 9, negative 11, and negative 13. And you need to find a sub 25 and its explicit formula. The answer will be posted on our next video, so stay tuned. And again, thank you very much for listening and watching this video. And that is arithmetic sequence. And again, this is Sir RV Math Class. Thank you very much.